Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy F23 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them and clicking on the search bars. Then you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. After that, just open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now we can finally select Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. Then click on all of those dots and select Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time though to transfer all of them, so we will go with only this one. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android over here next to input key, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and tap on Receive. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!